What's going on? What's going on, y'all? So today, I want to make a quick little video. Getting ready to start my regular 9 to 5, and this is for them people that definitely lost their jobs and is out here, trying to do the right thing. And just sometimes the devil creeps up in your mind and tell you to do some things that you might regret down the road. But this is just a video right here. Try to give you guys some idea how you can make anywhere from $50 a day to about $300-400 a day if you're pretty good with working with your hands. As you can see in the back of my car here, I have a hatch from a Civic, and I literally went down to the junkyard and grabbed it, and I have the receipt in here. The hatch itself was $87, and my tools here. This is right before I go to work. I got my CMOS sitting up there, so you can go down there and pull parts for people, right? Because people seem to never come to the junkyard with tools. One guy came down there, he literally had no tools at all. I told him I didn't have enough time, but I could have charged him $10. He wanted a window, a back glass pulled out of his car. So I could have charged him $10 right there for, who knows, 15 minutes? Oh no, actually, I could have charged him $20 for 15 minutes of work. And I'm talking about literally, you're gonna have people that come down there want to borrow your tools. You can charge them maybe $2 to borrow the tool. That's sometimes you don't really want to do that kind of route, because you might not have a tool, but you just explain to them that, hey, I'm just out here trying to grind, trying to stay out of trouble. Explain to them the situation. And for me, what I'm gonna do is probably sell this hatch for maybe, let's say $250. Clean it up. I need to clean it up. Sell it for about $250. If I would have gotten the spoiler and the window wiper, it would have cost me about $160. But my hope is to use it down the road. But I'm literally gonna clean up, wash my hands a little bit, change into my uniform. My work boots is right there, and I got CMOS I'm gonna be selling. I have a few customers, so definitely if you're doing Hondas, a typical Honda is about the tools you're gonna need for a Honda is like 17, 14, 12, 10 screwdriver, flathead Phillips, ratchet wrench, swivel head sockets and stuff like that. Might need a 36 for the axles, but that's on average typically what you're gonna need. And you just pay your entry fee to the junkyard, and you let people know you'll pull their parts from and make your money right there. I say anywhere from about $50 a day to about $300 a day doing that. And also you can, if you make enough money now, you can split whatever you make. So if you make $300 for the day, you can take $150 and buy parts and now resell them. And then you just continue to keep doing that. Keep yourself out of trouble, man, and try to get this money however way you can. If you don't know, you can always go on YouTube how to do. It don't matter. Don't be intimidated by any job. Or especially if you're at the junkyard, what's the worst that can happen? You break it. It ain't like you got to pay for it. So, it ain't like you got to pay for it. If you break it, you just leave it alone. Hey, I'm sorry, I broke it. I couldn't get it out. And it's a good learning experience. But just a quick tip. Just put a seed of thought in your head to let you know that even though you might lose your job, there's other options out there. You can hustle, you can grind. Shit, if you're out here panhandling. Matter of fact, I'm out in the streets hitting the streets selling CMOS, and I've had 3 people stop, not to buy CMOS, but to give me money. Everybody was giving me $5, and I was laughing that I made more money begging, if I was to be begging, than actually selling something that's going to be helping them, because I looked at it as I was doing people a favor in introducing to them something different than being on pills. But if I was to take that $15, right, $5 for a meal, and take the other $5 to go buy the other $10 to go buy some socks. And I sell each pair of socks. I say if I buy 3 pairs of socks, and I sell each pair of socks for $5. Because you can't be convenient. I learned that with the sea moss, because even though I'm selling pure sea moss at $80 a pound, people still want me to make it and still sell them for $80 a pound. And half of it would be water if I sold them the gel. But can't be convenience, man. So if you can sell a pair of socks for $5 and you bought them at $2-3 a piece, you just continue to keep doing that. But you got to have the hustler mentality. I don't need to do what I'm doing, but I'm always in that mindset of hustle. You know, ultimately I want to invest, because I don't want to keep hustling for the rest of my life. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all. You know, we're going to help each other out, man. I'm not just presenting problems. I'm also going to try to help to present solutions. If you guys know any other ways where, you know, people can try to do something out here to earn an extra couple dollars in their pocket to help feed their children and you know, put food on the table and try to pay some of their bills and stuff like that, please let me know, man. You know, I never knock them people at Home Depot that's out there hustling, man. Them Latino people that's out there hustling, because they could be doing other things, and you don't see them out there begging. Take care, y'all. Stay strong.